In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on Windows 11. I'm going to show you some ways how to free up space and some tricks, but the most obvious thing to do is to delete videos, delete photos, delete files, delete games, delete applications you don't use that just free up space. For example, how you can delete the unwanted applications or games. Again, go to the Windows icon, right click on it, click on Run, and type in appwiz.cpl. Click on OK. And you can see all the applications you have downloaded. You can delete any of these. Just right click on it and uninstall. But after you've done that, if you still don't have enough space on your PC or C drive, then watch this video through and I'll show you how to free up some space. So first, open up File Explorer or search it in the search bar. Go to this PC, C drive, click on Windows, and scroll down to Software Distribution. Let's click on that. Go to Download. And you can delete all of these files because these are past updates of Windows 11. If you have updated your Windows 11 before, past updates will be stored in this folder. So just click on Control A and press Shift Delete. Click Yes. Do this for all current items and click Continue. And close File Explorer. The next thing to do is to press on Windows and R to open Run, or just right click on the Windows icon and go Run. And now type in clean mgr, click on OK, select your C drive, click OK, check all of these boxes, make sure all of these boxes are checked, click OK, click on delete files. Now again, right click on the Windows icon, go to Run, and type in prefetch, click OK. Now don't worry, you can delete these files without any issue, as I'm going to do now. Select one, press Ctrl A, and then click on Delete. Do this for all current items. If this doesn't work, do this for all current items and click on Skip and close down File Explorer. Now again, open up Run and type in temp. Okay, these are temporary files. You can again delete them without any problem. Select one, Control A, and delete. After you're done, close down. Now again, go back to the Run, type in %, temp %, click on OK. Again, select one, Control A, delete, continue, try again, skip, and again close down File Explorer. Now open up File Explorer, go to this PC, right click on it, go to Properties, Tools, and click on Optimize. Select the C drive and click on Optimize again. After that's done, turn on Scheduled Optimization. If it's turned off, go to Change Settings, check this, Weekly, and click OK. Close everything down. Now I hope this video helped you. If it did, please consider liking and subscribing.